Welcome! In front of me I have Umidigi URUN watch, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the iPhone. First we need to turn on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the upper button for a couple of seconds. Once the watch turns on, we need to download and install the Pi Active application on our iPhone. So let's open the App Store on our iPhone. In the App Store, let's tap on search, then tap on search bar, type in Pi Active. And then tap search. You should see this application on the list, Pi Active, with this icon. Tap on it to select it, then tap on the Get button to download and install the application. Once the application is done installing, you can tap on the Open button to open it. In the application, you may get a couple of pop-ups about the permissions. This one is about the notifications. So if you want to receive the notifications from your iPhone on your watch, you need to allow it. If you don't, you can tap on Don't Allow. Now we need to select the region. So tap on region selection and select the one of the regions. I'm gonna select Europe, then tap on OK. And here we need to log in into an account. If you don't have an account, you can also register a new one by tapping on register right here. I already have an account, so I'm gonna tap on here, enter the email address. Then tap right here and enter the password, so give me a couple of seconds. And once you're done, you can tap on login. Okay, let's try again by tapping on login, of course. Let me try closing the app and opening it again. Okay, this time it worked. So if you have problems with logging in, you can try closing the app and opening it again, and hopefully that will fix the problem. Okay, so once you log in, you should see, or you may see, a couple more pop-ups about the permissions, and this one is about the Bluetooth. This one is required, so let's tap on OK. And here we have the information that we need to enable the Bluetooth for it to work, to connect the accessories. And I forgot to enable it, so let's open the panel, tap on Bluetooth icon to enable the Bluetooth. And now you can tap on OK in the app. Oh, and it also wants a health access permission. So if you want to the Pi Active app to be able to write the data like heart rate, sleep, and stuff like that, you need to allow the permission by tapping on the switch to enable it. And once you're done with the permissions, tap on allow. And at this point, you should see the home screen of the app. Now tap on the device, select the Smart Sport Watch, select your URUN watch, Sports URUN. Now make sure that the watch is turned on, tap on next step. The phone should detect your watch, tap on it to select it, then tap on pair. And now we can tap on go to equipment details, and this should open the device page for our URUN watch. Also, you might get a couple more permission pop-ups like location, you can allow it or deny it, and the notifications, again, you can allow it or deny it. As you can see, the watch is trying to sync the data with the phone, but it's doing a really bad job. If you're having problems syncing the watch with the phone, you can also try again, closing the app and opening it again. Tapping on my device, selecting the watch. And as you can see, we have new firmware update, but we can skip it. But basically, okay, at this point, the watch is paired with our phone, with our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.